Welcome students, we are still on sequence and series. Today we are going to do Wassce Private 2016 objective question number 42, and this is the question. The n term of a sequence is n squared minus n minus 2. Find the sum of the first and the third term. So we have, let un be equal to n squared minus n minus 2. So first term is n will be equal to 1. So we have u1 will be equal to 1 squared minus 1 minus 2. So u1 will be equal to 1 minus 1 minus 2. So we got it to be minus 2. So meaning this will be our u1. So third term means n is equal to 3. So we have it to be u3 will be equal to 3 squared minus 3 minus 2. So we have u3 to be equal to 9 minus 3 minus 2. So this one will give us 9 minus 5. Then we got it to be 4. So u3 will be equal to 4. So the question says that we should find the sum of the first term and the third term. So sum of u1 and u3. So it's going to be u1 plus u3. So we have it to be negative 2 plus 4. Then we got it to be 2. So therefore u1 plus u3 will give us 2. So that is it. That is how we find the sum of the first and the third term. Welcome student, we are still on sequence and series. Today we are going to do Wassce June 2016 objective question number 44. Find the next three terms of the sequence 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. So we are going to look for the next three sequence after 8. So solution. We have our sequence here 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and let's assume A, B, C. So this A, B, C is what we are looking for. Okay, so let's do some analysis here. So when you look at the pattern of this sequence, it's neither linear or exponential. It just follows a certain pattern. So when you look at it, when you sum the first two sequences, it will give you the third one. Yeah, because 0 plus 1 will give you this one. So meaning, and when you sum these two, 1 plus 1 will give you the third one. So 1 plus 1 will give you the third one. And the same thing, when you sum these two, v plus v, 1 plus 2 will give you the third one. So this means that for the first three consecutive terms, any three consecutive terms, you know, the sum of the first two equals the third term. Okay, so if this pattern is working, so this means that 3 plus 5 will give us 8, and it's working true, and even 2 plus 3 is giving us 5. So when you consider these three terms, these two will give us this. When you consider these three terms, 3 plus 5 will give us 8. So the same thing when you consider 5, 8, A, meaning A will be equal to 5 plus 8. We are going to get A to be equal to 5 plus 8 will give us what? 13. So we have here to be 13. So when you are looking for b, then b is going to be 8 plus a. So b will be equal to 8 plus a, and we have a to be 13. So 8 plus 13 will be equal to b. So we have b to be, so 8 plus 13 will give us what? 8 plus 13 will give us 21. The same thing applies to c. So c2 will be equal to a plus b, and we have the a to be 13 and b to be 21. So c will be equal to, we got c to be equal to here 34. So if a, b, c are the next three terms, then thirteen, 21 and 34 will be the next three terms, So that is how we find them. So 13, 21 and 34 are the next three terms we were looking for. So these are the next three terms we were looking for.